You've got 27 tabs opened up, Slack's blowing up, your to-do list is longer than your inbox, and somehow you're still managing your calendar manually. If you're stuck in the weeds, trying to grow a business with duct tape and willpower, this video is your turning point. I'm breaking down the 5 tools every CEO should be using in 2025 to scale smarter, and more importantly, how your virtual assistant can run them for you. I'm Ryan, co-founder of CEO Sidekicks. We help overwhelmed entrepreneurs reclaim their time by building elite VA-powered systems. If you're ready to go from chaos to clarity, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Are you still using random Google Docs and Slack messages to manage your team? You're not managing, you're surviving. ClickUp is your digital command center. Instead of scattered systems, you get one dashboard where every department, task, and project is trackable and, better yet, delegatable. Start by building out 3 core spaces: admin, marketing, and operations. Inside each, create weekly priorities, daily tasks, and automation triggers for recurring work. Your VA can own task updates, tag you when input's needed, and even run your weekly ClickUp dashboard review so you're only seeing what truly matters. If you're still using email as your main form of communication, it's like driving a horse carriage on the freeway. Slack replaces endless email threads with real-time organized conversations. You can create focus channels by department, client, or campaign and track communication with zero inbox involved. You can go in and set up channels like marketing, sales updates, client onboarding, and you can use threads to streamline feedback without the clutter. Let your VA moderate channels, keep conversations on track, flag urgent issues for you, and even post daily team updates to keep everyone aligned. The next one is Notion. Have you ever had a team member ask you the same question for the 3rd time this month? That's not their fault. It's a system issue. Notion can become your company's digital brain. You can store SOPs, project plans, brand assets, meeting notes, everything your team needs to operate without actually needing you. Have your VA document new processes, update SOPs weekly, and even turn your voice notes or Loom videos into step-by-step instructions using Notion. If you ever find yourself repeating the same task over and over and over again, Loom it once, never explain it again. Loom is the fastest way to delegate, give feedback, or document processes. It saves your time, preserves context, and creates clarity your team can refer back to over and over. Record short Loom videos for your top 5 repeatable processes: client onboarding, invoice review, content feedback, whatever it is that's eating your time. You can even train your VAs to store your Looms in Notion or ClickUp and even have them turn them into SOPs or training documents. Are you still moving data between tools manually? That's a red flag and a waste of your time. Zapier connects your apps and automates the boring stuff: lead capture, CRM updates, calendar reminders, invoice triggers, and more. It's like having a digital glue that holds all your stacks together. If you haven't used it before, start simple. When someone fills out a form, you can auto-create a task in ClickUp and send a confirmation email. That's one zap and a whole workflow handled. Let your VA become your automation assistant. They can build, test, and monitor zaps that can save you hours every single week. If setting this stuff up sounds overwhelming, or you just want someone to build it for you, this is exactly what we help business owners do with CEO Sidekicks. We'll help you hire an elite VA and set up the systems that actually make them effective. Book your free discovery call in the link in the description, and let's design your tech and your team together. The tools aren't the magic, it's how you use them. Pick one tool today and ask your VA to help you implement it this week. Remember, systems scale, Chaos burns out CEOs. Be the leader who builds what others wish they had. Now that you know which tools to use, your next step is choosing the best one for your workflow. Click here to watch our next video. Notion, Slack, or ClickUp, best tools for CEOs in 2025. We break down the pros, the cons, and how each tool works with your VA, so you can stop guessing and start scaling. See you there.